Alright. Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen, let's take out your notebooks. Okay. Nathan and William, I need you on task right now. Volume. Okay, today we're going to be learning about volume. Chris, let's get on task. Yes, it's like right there. Should be some that hole punched already. Okay, we are going to do, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do a rectangular prism. Very good. Alright. A rectangular prism kind of looks like my basket. It's the shape of a rectangle. It's three-dimensional. So let's pretend like there's a lid here. So it has a height, right? How tall is this? So volume is how much stuff fits in here. Okay? A water bottle is also something you can measure volume with because like how much water fits in here. So any three-dimensional object you can fill with stuff, and it's called volume. Alright, so we're going to draw a rectangular prism. So draw me a rectangle that's about 3 down and about 6 to 7 across. I don't really count the boxes across. I just make it look like a rectangle. But I do count the boxes going down. Alright. Now, to make this 3D, because this is 2D, I want it to be 3D. From this corner, I'm going to go over 2 and up 2. Put a dot. Over 2, up 2. Then from this corner, same thing. Over 2, up 2. I'm going to connect these two. And then connect this. Connect this. So up 2 and up 2. Then you're going to go down 3. And then you're going to go diagonal. Cool. So this is your length, width, and your height. So to solve for volume, volume equals length times width times height. Length times width times height. That's the formula. Alright. If I just tell you length times width, what are you solving for with length times width? Area. So this is area, and then one more thing, times height. So it's length times width times height. Okay? We're good? So this is like your basic picture. Alright, now let's do one with some numbers on it. So let's do the same rectangular prism. 3 by something. 3 by, I don't know. Sure. Then over 2, up 2, over 2, up 2. Alright. So the volume is length times width times height. So you're going to substitute the numbers. It doesn't really matter what order, because it's commutative property. So just plug in your numbers. Length, 10, width, 6, height is 5. Does it matter in which order I multiply these in? No. Pick the two numbers. Well, two numbers would be easy to multiply. Yeah. 6 times 5 is? So I would do this first and then times 10. What's the trick when you multiply by 10? Just add the 0. Perfect. So what's our volume? Okay, watch. Watch, learn, be amazed. 300 centimeters cubed. Yep. Okay, area is squared, but volume is cubed. Perimeter is no exponent. Got it? Alright. Alright, let's do a rectangular prism standing up. See if you guys can do this. I haven't even done anything. Don't complain. Cool. Yay, teacher. It's okay if you don't draw it perfectly. I'm not too worried about your ability to draw a rectangular prism. The only thing I count is that I'm going over 2 and up 2, and over 2 and up 2. I did this 3 and then I don't know how many I did here. The key is that you go over. So up and then over. Up and then over. So up and over. True. Alright. So we're going to do 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. Is there anything really easy to trick multiplying this? Nope. I'm just going to have to just multiply. Like the first two you do in your head. Which two are you going to multiply in your head? Alright, what's 7 times 8? Okay, so this one you do in your head, 56. And then the last one you're going to have to go on the side. Good. So volume is equal to 504 centimeters cubed. Has to be cubed. Alright. So now we are going to do triangular prism. Why do you think it's called a triangular prism? So it starts off with a triangle. That's the base. Triangle. Now how do you find the area of a triangle? Multiply what? How do I find the area of a triangle? Nice. Base times height divided by 2. So, if I'm asking you to find the area of a triangle, you would do base times height divided by 2. What we learned last week. But today, we're going to make this 3D. So I go on a diagonal. I just kind of go straight back. And then this is a diagonal. And then I just make them connect. So it's like diagonal, diagonal, and then drop it down. So, what's the part that we added? We added a new height. So this is your base that you learned before. And then remember the 90 degrees in here? This is the height that you learned before. So you have a base, yes, times a height. That will give you your volume. So you have your area of a triangle times the height, because now it's 3D. Alright? Now, this is how some worksheets write it, but I actually like to write it this way. Volume equals base times height, all divided by 2. Like, it just looks easier if you do it this way. It looks less intimidating. This is the exact same thing. Exact same. So let's do a problem. Let's draw another triangular prism. Hopefully this one turns out better than last time. Do you guys have a game tonight? You guys have a game on Friday? Oh, you had a game on Monday? Oh, you didn't have a game this week? Alright, okay. He's just messing around with you guys. Okay. 4, 8, 10. So, guys, volume is equal to base times height times your big height divided by 2. What'd you get? So, 8 times 4 times 10, all divided by 2. I would, it's going to look kind of weird. I would take this. What's 8 divided by 2? What's 4 times 4? Times 10? Thank you. Alright, one more triangular prism. This one's going to look like a crayon. An apartment. You see it now? Or clay. Those clays that come in triangles. Someone said it looks like that chocolate bar that's a triangle from Switzerland. Yeah, something like that. Okay. 12 centimeters. The base is 6 and the height is 3 centimeters. Alright. So of this triangle, your base is 6 and your height is 3. So volume equals base times height of your triangle times the height of the prism, all divided by 2. Did we divide by 2 on the rectangle? No. I only need you to divide by 2 in triangle. Every time there's a triangle involved, you're going to have to divide by 2, basically. Alright, plug in your numbers, guys. I see you plugging in your numbers. Come on, plug in your numbers. They do a couple more different shapes that are a little bit harder than us. So I'm teaching you the foundation. Yeah, but they do a couple more figures. Huh? Good job. 6 times 3 times 12 divided by 2. Go over here and go make that a 6. So volume equals, oh, I could have done that to a 3. So 9 times 12, 108 centimeters cubed.